Check this out, guys. This is the Buddy's R34 GTR Midnight Purple. Look how beautiful this thing is. Midnight Purple top coat on top of the carbon. That is freaking insane. Yeah, I'll see you over there. Look how insane this is. Oh, wow. Woo. Damn. So nice. So damn nice. Oh, he's gonna pop the hood. Uh-oh. I gotta see under this. I saw that titanium. Was that intake? Yeah. Oh my gosh. HKS?
HKS GT34R Turbo, HKS 2.8 liter upgrade with VCAM, stage step 2
wow.
for the intake manifold.
Ooh. Damn. Oh, they even got the carbon matched right here too. Holy heck. I that titanium though.
Yeah, RK Titanium did that custom for me this past week.
So nice. How clean the frick, everything is so damn clean in here. Holy hell.
Yeah, it was built by Bardavi. It's 658 at the wheel right now.
Wow. Oh, damn. Yeah, this is really nice, Paul. This is very nice, man. Thank you for showing me, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, dude. Have a good one, bro.
Yeah, take it easy. Later.